How we doing? I'm rocking the beanie tonight. It gets cold down here sometimes. My studio's in the basement, and the basement gets cold sometimes. Tonight I'm going to play Rogue Company. Rogue Company just released Season 1. I have never played it before, but I saw a bunch of stuff going on over Twitter about Rogue Company, and people were psyched on the Season 1, and I'm like, hell yeah, let's do it. So we're going to play Season 1 Rogue Company tonight. Let's go! He'll attack it. Oh!
Lethal out.
Weak like American drink.
Oof.
Oh, I was reloading mid-shot.
35 seconds remaining. My favorite.
I'm gonna get a katana kill. My goal is to throw this katana and have it stick on someone.
Explode.
Off to a
Enemies have armed the bomb. Defuse it.
utility out.
Oh! I got a katana kill. Hell yeah.
Baby.
I'm clipping that. Nice. Two hits right there.
We control the site. Defend it.
Come on, come on, come on. Oh, I got you! I got you! With the throwing axe!
Sick.
45 seconds
I'm gonna
remaining.
reclaim that. Who else wants throwing axe? Oops!
All enemies have been eliminated. Do you think they'll even try? I got your back.
Nice. Coming in.
Oh! Oh!
All enemies have been eliminated.
Damn!
Wow.
Damn! Haha!
Thank
Down
you.
one. Oh! Well, I saw
Another one right there.
Yeah!
Yeah, boofing.
Let's go!
Run, 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 run.
Kunai!
Step.
Need help.
45 seconds
Oh, wow.
remaining.
I'm a
Oh
smart
my
guy.
god!
Nice.
Damn,
My
son.
boy cracked over here!
Enemies have been eliminated.
Nice.
There we go.
Ooh!
I had 2 kills that time.
I was popping him right in his grill.